Rajya Sabha MP and President of BJP Manipur Pradesh A. Sharda has asserted that only Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and no other political parties can save Manipur. The Rajya Sabha MP was speaking during a welcome function of retired IRS Gaigodin Panmai, who had joined BJP party. Nungbai Mele Dingang Lungang Mai, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh, President of BJP District Mandal, attended the program, which was held at BJP Manipur headquarters at Nithe Park, Chitek today. Speaking further, A. Sharda maintained that the conflict, which started in 2023, has delayed development activities in Manipur, and it is quite unfortunate. She further appealed to communities to resolve the crisis through dialogue. While claiming that the BJP government led by Narendra Modi has brought positive changes in the country, Adhikari Mayung Sharda asserted that due to trust bestowed by people on NDA government, the membership enrollment to BJP party has reached over 11 crore. Further, A. Sharda asserted that BJP has not done anything against the people and is sure to make efforts to save Manipur from fragmentation.
Manipur 2023 dari koyakliba biba masina masi khajitang Manipur da ekoi chamon pagi labjenta tinda bagu tawbase masima akoi laibak thibani atho hariba laibak thiba awa base akoi na ngasi thengda hotragati Manipur se luk thiba yabagi takta tama lakna dore haiba adugumba government step kharadagi koisigum padirang si thokre adugu ngasi aina ngasi Manipur laiba praja punamakta tungan community punamakta aigi oiba apil lama kai tawjani maduni kaino haiba kana akoi masel khatnabana akoi masel nushinadabana kaitawaidasu Manipur sakhat purpaya Manipur sakhat ansi Manipur se adugi matak masak naina sakhat pa state ama oisi hairagati akoi masel marakta laiba bhapta nadaba se akoi punna aminadana wari watai sanara kanda nushinaba lampi adu pura kanda Manipur se sakhat pa yagadan kaitawaidasu koi hana sunabana ekoi patu yobu yaro